Haitian? That's nothing to do with my race, buddy.
Are you Asian?
My question was, are you Haitian?
In the Florida Keys, that is ICE Agent Scott Deiseroth. He keeps questioning the nationality of the police officer who pulled him over for a DUI.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where he's from. Okay. Look, man, I really need you to do the exercise. If you don't do it, then I'm going to say that you're refusing to do the exercise. I get it. You need a minute. I gave you a few minutes, okay? But
let me talk to your supervisor.
Now, this past few days, past few months, no, because of Donald Trump, no, these federal ICE agents are becoming an arrogant and entitled government agents. Now, what happened when a federal ICE agents get pulled over for driving into incoming traffic with two young children in his car? Today, we are breaking down the shocking arrest of Scott Deiseroth. This isn't just a DUI case. It's a masterclass in how not to handle a police interaction, from trying to use his federal badge as get out of jail free. No? So let's watch this.
not right now, sir.
Yeah.
This began when police saw Deiseroth swerving on 7 Mile Bridge. Officers stopped him and said, according to report, they were overwhelmed by the smell of alcohol. Deiseroth acknowledges he has his 2 children with him.
But you're driving under influence.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home. I got my boys with me.
Who do you work for?
DHS.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. But if I called them, they verify that you're a
100%, bro.
Okay. You don't have any type of credentials or anything that say you're DHS?
Not on me, no.
Okay. All right.
I only bring my weapon with me if I'm.
Okay. But you don't have any weapons on you right now?
No, I don't.
Okay. So what I want to do, I want to talk away from the kids. So I'm going to ask you to step out of the car and we're going to walk back to the back of your car.
You know, right away, Deiseroth tries to establish professional courtesy. In the legal world, identifying as a law enforcer is often a subtle way to asking for a break. But here's the problem. DUI with a minor is a serious felony-level incident in many jurisdictions. A badge doesn't override probable cause. The deputies smell alcohol and sees reckless driving. At that point, federal status means nothing compared to public safety.
Okay?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
After his initial defiance, Deiseroth gets out of the truck. Officers try to get some basic information.
Okay. So you said you're coming from Miami, going to Islamorada, and going back to Miami. What are you going to Islamorada for?
Guys, seriously?
Seriously?
Are we really doing this right now?
Yeah.
I'm just asking you a question. You said you're going to Islamorada. What are you going to Islamorada for?
Lane,
Yeah.
are we really doing this right now?
The sheriff's deputy then asks ICE Agent Deiseroth about alcohol.
Zach, how much have you had to drink today?
About 4.
4.
4 drinks.
4
Like
drinks.
water, alcohol, beer. What'd you drink? Kool-Aid?
Are you guys really trying to me right now?
I'm just asking what you look like you're impaired. I smell alcohol coming from you, so I'm just asking how much you had to drink to make sure you're not too impaired to drive that vehicle. I think that you might be impaired. You look, your eyes are bloodshot. They're kind of glassy.
Are they really?
Yes, sir, they are.
Show me.
I don't know how you want me to do that.
Take a picture.
Okay, we could do that in a minute. But the other reason why I think you're impaired is just the way you're walking. You're kind of stumbling a little bit.
I'm not walking anywhere.
Okay. And then also the way that you were seen driving, you're like kind of swerving and stuff, and then the colonel tried to pull you over and you didn't immediately stop. You stopped here on the bridge. He tried to stop you at a safer spot a little bit back there.
Okay.
Do you have any brain injuries?
Deiseroth is a former Army staff sergeant.
I'm a disabled veteran.
Okay. Have you ever had a traumatic brain injury?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Does it affect your ability to operate a vehiel?
Guys, come on.
Come on.
Okay. Well, I'm just asking what your brain injury is. Does it
Come
affect you
on.
in your everyday life?
I'm going through a divorce. Don't take my kids, man.
I'm not taking your kids from you, man. I'm just making sure that you're safe to drive the car. Do they have anyone down here that would be able to take care of them? Look, man, you drank too much to drive a car.
No, I haven't.
You did. Okay?
Let me get my kids out.
You can't drive a car.
ICE Agent Deiseroth then asks why police have set up a safety cone.
What's homeboy doing down there? You know, guys, come on.
Make sure we all safe because we're the south of the world. You don't want to get hit. You don't want you to get hit. That's why we're trying to do the exercise. That way we can move
Are
on.
you Haitian?
That's nothing to do.
Oh.
Are you Haitian?
Oh. This is the moment that could lead to an internal affairs nightmare. Deiseroth just repeatedly asks black deputy, "Are you Haitian?" He even threatens to run him and send him back to Haiti.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Deiseroth then attempts a simple field sobriety test of walking in a straight line. It does not go well.
Oh, you know, guys, this dude, he's driving with his 7 and 9-year-old children. No, his boys. It's in the truck. In Florida, DUI with a minor in the vehicle triggers enhanced penalties. We're talking about mandatory jail time, higher fines, and Department of Children and Families investigation. Even as a federal agent, Deiseroth was sentenced to probation and community service.
Deiseroth also struggles with a basic counting test.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004,
Oh, you're wasted.
2006. Guys, what the f are we doing right now?
Oh,
Seriously.
the
Okay,
F
Scott,
are we
can you be
doing
honest
right
with me? How
now?
much did you drink today?
I had about 4
For what?
drinks.
All right, Scott, I need you to come back here with me, please. I'm not going to do this in front of your kids, man, but you got to come with me. I'm not going to do it. If now you can put your hands back. If you're going to pull away, then I'll do it in front of your kids. Okay, don't squeeze my hand. Let go.
I'm not doing shit. Guys, I am law enforcement.
Okay. I was gonna do this away from your kids, man. But you're gonna pull away from me, then I'll do it in front
I'm
of
not
them.
pulling away. I'm not f***ing moving.
Just relax, man.
You're kidding me right now. Thanks.
Go back and go on the left side.
Guys, Lane, why are you doing this?
It's clear to the right. So, Scott, unfortunately, right now you are under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay.
Lane, why are you doing this? What about my kids?
We're gonna have to figure that out next.
Damn it, Lane.
Do you have any shield back there?
Guys, please, I am going through a divorce. Don't do this to me. Lane, come on, man. Just gonna me, dude. Please don't do this to me.
To try and soothe tensions, the officer admits to his own DUI a few years ago.
I got arrested for DUI 2 years ago.
Lane, I get it. But do you have kids?
Own up to your mistakes, man. You're a grown adult. I cried my ass off too. Own up to it. You're gonna sit in jail tonight. It's gonna suck.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're gonna.
Lane!
It's gonna suck, man. It sucked for me. It's gonna suck for you too. It is what it is. Be a man.
Lane.
Yeah, be a man, be a man.
Hey, come on, buddy. We're not doing this shit. Come on, let's get
So you guys.
Come on, put your feet in.
Stand up.
Stand up, come on.
Stand up. Put your feet in, man.
No.
Man,
Put
don't
your
be a
feet in.
kid. Come on.
Stop.
Where are my kids?
Stand up. Put your feet in.
What?
Put your feet in. Put your feet in. You don't want to make this worse already. Come on, man. Let's go.
You gotta sit in the car,
You're
man.
going to jail for DUI, which is a misdemeanor. If you don't cooperate, you go to jail for resisting. You don't want to make it worse. Come on, put your feet in, buddy. All right, your kids will be fine. This will pass.
Listen to me.
No, sir, right on the side of the road. Come on, let's go, man.
We gotta sit down, Scott.
God damn you guys.
Thank you.
You. Okay. Lane, you really me, man.
I didn't fuck you, man. I'm not the one that drank today and drove.
In the back of the cruiser, Deiseroth threatens to check the deputy's immigration status.
Run him wants to get out of here. And if he's not legit, oh, he's taking a ride back to Haiti.
Oh.
Nice guy.
You know, guys, this case proved that nobody is above the law. Well, not all the time. Especially when the children's lives are at stake. Was the deputy right to stay calm despite the insult? Or should there be harsher penalties for federal agents who abuse their power? Leave the comment down below. I'm curious to see you take on the Haitian comments. Like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.